Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. This week, we talk about the advanced settings notifications. Open the Desk Director admin portal and click on Portal, then Notifications, and now click the Advanced tab. The status trigger setting lets you choose which statuses to enable notifications for. Click the three-dot menu and select Add Status Name. In the text box, begin typing a status name to search for it in the system. Click on the status name from the search results to add it. If you want to add another status, type its name again and select it from the search results. Finally, click Select to confirm your choices. The receiver setting allows you to select the companies or contacts for which you want to enable notifications. Click the three-dot menu and then click Add Companies. Select the companies you want and click Select to confirm your choices. Next, we'll add contacts. Again, click the three-dot menu, select Add Contact, and choose the first contact. You can select another contact and click Select to confirm. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. And that's how the advanced settings notifications works. That concludes today's 1 Minute Wednesday. See you next time.